Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. So this is a little bit of a break from all of the shadi content that I have been posting. By the way, if you've not checked that out yet, तो वो सारे vlogs मैं अपने vlogging channel पे upload कर रही हूँ, which is Glossips Vlogs. उसका link भी description box में mentioned है. If you want to get a wholesome of shadi vlogs, well, the link is in the description box. All you need to do is click on it and then subscribe. Speaking of the Shadi season topic, I know that this is the perfect time to upload this video क्योंकि अभी जब मैं अपना Facebook और Instagram scroll कर रही होती हूँ, every other person I know is getting married. So I'm sure कि आपके साथ भी इस तरह से हो ही रहा होगा that someone or the other around you is also getting married and then you are also going crazy shopping for clothes, shopping for jewelry, shopping for shoes. कुछ ना कुछ चल ही रहा होता है. लेकिन अभी मैं कल परसों तैयार हो रही थी फॉर एन इवेंट, तो मैं एकदम से ये सोच रही थी कि हम सब इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस देते हैं अपने कपड़ों को, अपने बालों को, अपनी ज्वेलरी को, यहाँ तक कि छोटी से छोटी चीज़ वी ट्राई टू मेक श्योर इज़ परफेक्ट बिकॉज वी वॉन्ट टू लुक गुड एंड वी वॉन्ट टू बी वेरी प्रेजेंटेबल टू द पीपल दैट वी आर मीटिंग. मगर एक ऐसी चीज़ है दैट एक्चुअली सेट्स our entire persona, that gives off that perfect first impression. और हम कभी कभार उस पे थोड़ा सा शायद हो जाते हैं. Do you know what that is? That is actually our scent, because our scents are what makes our first impression last longer. So इसी मौके पे I thought that I will film this video because this is the perfect time to film it. I will film this video going to one of my most favorite stores for perfumes, for fragrances, and I will suggest you some of my favorite ones. So let's go. Now we're finally here in the parking और अब बस जा रही हूँ ऊपर. Bonanza Satrangi's outlet, and guess what? You guys can already see that there are so many fragrances to choose from. यहाँ पे मेरी भी कुछ Glossips favorites perfumes हैं जो कि मैं आपसे share करूँगी, but साथ साथ we'll also check out a few new ones and we'll see which one do I recommend to you guys. So without any further ado, let's check them out. So to be honest, the range is way too heavy over here, as you can see. So let's ask her. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
अच्छा, कैन यू टेल मी कि यहाँ पे कौन कौन सी न्यू आई हुई हैं?
मैम हमारे बेस्ट आर्टिकल्स में तो फ्लावर फील्ड्स है.
ओके, देयर इज वन कॉल्ड फ्लावर फील्ड्स. द पैकेजिंग इज आल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. कौन सी है दूसरी?
दिस वन फीलिंग्स.
ओके, हियर वी हैव फीलिंग्स. उसके बाद
एंड अनदर वन इज प्रेशियस पर्ल.
ओके, सो दैट इज प्रेशियस पर्ल्स. यार इसकी पैकेजिंग कितने मजे की है. इसकी भी पैकेजिंग बहुत हॉट है. ये मेंस परफ्यूम है.
यस मैम.
ओह माय गॉड, इस पे भी सेल लगी हुई है. मतलब मेंस परफ्यूम्स में भी सेल्स हैं या नहीं?
मैम देयर इज अप टू 50% ऑफ.
ओके, वी हैव 60% ऑफ. अप टू 60% ऑफ.
यस मैम.
दैट्स गोना बी फन.
एंड मस्क रूज.
मस्क रूज कहाँ पे है वो? ओह, दिस वन राइट हियर. ये सारे न्यू अराइवल्स वाले वैसे यहीं पे लगे हुए हैं. आई लाइक इट. इसमें ये वाली भी तो आई हुई है. विच वन इज दिस? प्रॉमिस मी. आई शुड चेक दिस आउट. नाउ वी हैव Promise Me. Let's check this out. I think new आई है, मैंने पहले नहीं देखी थी यहाँ पे. Oh my god, this smells so vanilla-ish. I think it has rose, orangey, vanilla-ish type का tinge. It just smells really nice. लेकिन ये जो notes वगैरह होते हैं ना, I can't be that technical with it. मैं सिर्फ इस तरह से समझा सकती हूँ कि when you're fresh out of a shower and suddenly you're all floral and fresh. इसकी सेंट काफ़ी उस टाइप की है. सो इफ़ यू आर दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन यू आर गोना लव दिस. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई आउट द मस्क रूज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. अच्छा, सबसे पहले पैकेजिंग. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट द बॉटल लुक्स लाइक. रियली प्रिटी. लेट्स स्मेल इट एंड सी. मेरी पर्सनल फेवरेट वैसे बहुत ही फ्रूटी सी खुशबू है. ओह माँ, व्हाट You know what? This smells perfectly fruity. It smells like pineapple type का जो mixture होता है ना, बड़ा मज़े का fruity सा. That's what this smells like. But this is definitely a very, very meaty khushbu. Something that I like. I do really like meaty khushbu as well. So this is that. Let's ask them that what's the price range for this one. How much is this one for?
29.80.
29.80. इसके ऊपर डिस्काउंट है?
No ma'am.
इस पर डिस्काउंट नहीं है. Yeah, this one was actually really nice. पता है, this could be a potential Glossop's favorite. Seos type की है. I'm not going to lie. But let's check out the other ones for now. If I think about it, it definitely is worth the price. Considering it was for like around 3K, it's really, really, really nice. Plus, the thing is कि मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा इनकी परफ्यूम्स को ट्राई आउट की हुई हैं. अभी मैं Glossop's favorites आपसे शेयर करूँगी, okay? तो मैंने इनकी बहुत सारी ट्राई की हुई हैं and they're just so long lasting. The scent is so long lasting and even the bottle itself, it gets worth it. So अभी देखते हैं बाकी वाली ट्राई आउट करते. दिस तो आई लव्ड. प्रेशियस पर्ल की पैकेजिंग है 10 out of 10 है. कंसिडरिंग इट इज़ पर्ली. कैन यू सी दैट? इसके ऊपर ये जो पर्ल लगा हुआ है. दिस इज़ जस्ट वेरी प्रिटी मैन. लेट्स सी व्हाट दिस स्मेल्स लाइक. वैसे मुझे अभी से खुशबू आ रही है दैट दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी फ्लोरल सी खुशबू. येस, दिस इज़ अ फ्लोरल वन. लेकिन आई एम ग्लैड दैट दिस इज़ अ वेरी सटल फ्लोरल. Smells like roses, like rosy tuberose, white rose type की. It smells good. It does. But that one was my personal favorite. But ये भी काफ़ी अच्छी है for people who would like floral scents. Check this one out. ये भी इन्होंने बताया था कि one of the new ones. इसकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत pretty है. Can you please tell me कि इसके कौन से notes हैं? What does this smell like? कौन सी category में?
It's basically a citrus floral category.
Citrus floral category.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much does this cost?
Its actual cost is 34.80, but it will cost you only for 29.60.
29.60 यानी कि इसके ऊपर सेल लगी हुई है.
Yeah.
Oh, that is perfect. Let me smell this and see what this smells like. So I can mainly smell orange in this. So it is very citrusy. But if you like citrusy wali and not too out there, this is the one that you would like. Now we have Flower Fields, जिसकी पैकेजिंग खैर मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी. इसकी कहाँ पड़ी हुई है टेस्टर? आई वांट टू ट्राई दिस आउट. अच्छा, ओह, आई थॉट इट्स अ ग्लास बॉक्स. Okay, so this one is a completely floral one. Perfect for people who like floral scents. बहुत मजे की. It smells like a garden literally, like you know, a complete garden. So I wanted to share the Glossop's favorites with you guys. लेकिन because there's a sale over here up to 60% off, मेरा दिल चाह रहा है कि मैं ताऊ के लिए भी कुछ scents उठा लेती हूँ. Let's add the male fragrances in this as well. Let's see उसमें कौन सी Glossop's favorites निकलती हैं. Let's go. Like आपकी highest recommendation कौन सी है for men?
Actually, I would highly recommend Empire in citrus category.
Empire in the
Yeah.
citrus category. Can I see this?
Yeah.
अच्छा, वैसे the packaging is pretty bomb. Can I try this out?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Ooh, it smells really nice. How much is this for?
Actual cost 49.80, but after discount, आपको only 24.90 का cost.
$24.90.
Yeah.
Okay, this smells really nice. Do check this out. By the way, I'm not talking to the camera. There is someone shooting the video. It smells nice, right? This definitely smells like Doctor. अब मुझे समझ आया Doctor को citrusy खुशबू पसंद है. अरे ये बहुत अच्छी है. इसके क्या notes हैं? Soft सी है ये बहुत. Subtle सी ना.
बिल्कुल citrus सी fragrance है, हमारे मतलब important भी है और हमारा most running article is इसका.
This Mirage?
Yeah.
Let me show this.
Basically, unisex fragrance.
अच्छा, unisex है. So this is the one that I just tried out. बहुत subtle सी थी. And this is a unisex one. Try it out. It's unisex.
फ्लोरल सी है.
Floral. मुझे floral
Floral है.
कम थोड़ी सी fruityish लगी. इसके क्या notes हैं?
फ्लोरल है ये.
It's basically fruity and plus some oud category type.
It's floral oud type का. It's really nice. अच्छा, और कौन सी थी? मैंने मेरे ताया एक ट्राई करके गए थे यहाँ से King.
Yeah.
I want to check that out. I think आपकी premium collection है.
Yeah, exactly.
अच्छा, this is that bottle. यार, oh my god, you remember I showed you guys Doctor's entire perfume collection? He just got this as soon as this came out, and I love the packaging because This is me in a perfume bottle. Please show me. Please show me. This is me in no wait. This is me in a perfume bottle. Right there. It is na.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what this smells like. Oh, बहुत तेज है, बहुत तेज है. What is this?
Test it.
Also a citrus category.
ये बहुत तेज citrus है. Can I try this out? But this is clear dog का. वो जो होता है ना, कमरे से गुजरो तो I can smell him the entire way. Go on.
Try on the strip.
Yeah, on the strip. I don't want to smell like man. I don't want to smell like man. Actually, this is a very smoky खुशबू.
Yeah.
This is a very smoky fragrance. Like, you know, एक manly सी जो smoky cigar सी एक खुशबू होती है. Is that even the right way to tell? But you'll guess, you'll understand what I mean. है ना एक smoky सी खुशबू है इसके अंदर. King. The name goes with it. Let me show the packaging. ये सिर्फ मैंने, right?
Yeah.
And how much is this for?
It will cost only for 44.80.
अच्छा, ये वाली जो है, this is for 44.80. And oh my
Around
god.
4500.
But very, very Glossips recommended for men, of course. So you were telling me that the Musk Royale is your most recommended perfume?
Yeah, because it's our signature perfume.
Signature perfume.
Yeah.
Okay, let's smell this. मेरे दोस्त मेरा मजाक उड़ाते हैं कि मैंने एक बार मस्की सेंट्स को हस्की सेंट कह दिया था. Husky is a dog.
Yeah.
अच्छा, this is a really nice scent. ये भी citrusy है ना?
No, it's a basically musky fragrance scent. It's unisex.
Musky fragrance and unisex. So this was packaging goals for me. मगर साथ ही साथ एक ये भी बहुत packaging goals है for me. I'm not going to lie. This is for men too?
Yeah, this is for men too.
And what are the notes मुझे ये smell करनी
It's
है?
basically a oriental category.
Oriental.
Yeah.
I want to try it out. इसकी price क्या है?
Only for 44.80 with complete 100 ml bottle.
Okay, और इस पे sale नहीं है.
Yeah.
Can I check it out?
Sure.
Thank you. अच्छा, ये बहुत ही I can guess. मतलब मुझे समझ में आ रहा है. इसके क्या notes है?
ये oriental category.
Oriental category. This is completely oud.
Yeah.
है ना? So this is, it's nice for people who like ouds, but like this is not my personal type. But अच्छी है. For people who would like oud, ये उनको बहुत पसंद आएगी.
Lavender, citrus, patchouli.
हाँ, lavender, citrus वगैरह. It's really nice. Listen, we tried literally every black bottle, but we did not try a blue one. So let's try this one out and see के what does Silage. Bottle बहुत sexy है. ओह, ये अच्छी है. ये अच्छी है. This is like a cool scent, you know. This is nice. इसके क्या notes है?
It's basically a fresh aromatic and marine fragrance. It's citrus
Marine
plus.
fragrances हैं. अच्छा, I like वो aquamarine और fruity type की. Okay, this is really nice. I definitely recommend this one as well. ये बहुत मजबूती है.
So which one are you going to buy for Tao?
There are so many options. I don't know. Listen to me. ये मैं literally एक perfume लेने आई थी and suddenly I am going crazy with so many options. क्या scene है ये?
Basically हमारे पास जो total variants हैं उनकी quantity है 109.
109 perfumes?
109 categories हमारे पास 109 perfumes हमारे पास available हैं जिसमें 41 for men हैं 41 जो है for women हैं 27 हमारे पास unisex categories भी available हैं.
Wow. So Glossips favorites में let me tell you guys कि कौन सी number 3 पे आती है. So of course you figured this out by now कि मुझे ज़्यादातर fruity scents ज़्यादा पसंद आती हैं. Even if they're floral तो थोड़ा सा tinge होना चाहिए floral का. They can't be all garden. No, my heart doesn't go garden when it's very garden. So I will tell you which one do I like on number 3. This Make Me Blush by Bonanza Satrangi. This one is the perfect fruity but a tinge of floral wali. Like, you know, it describes the color pink in a scent. वो वैसी perfume. This scent right here, Memories. यार, this is the most aquamarine-ish, you know, एक होती है ना aqua sea, cool sea. This is one of those. ये 1 पे होती, there was no charisma by the way. I know मैंने थोड़ा सा surprise kill कर दिया, but you guys already know it. So the number 1 is charisma. This is my signature scent. I'm not going to lie. ये मेरी signature scent है, and definitely one of my most favorite ones. And इनकी collection में भी this is like one of the most long-lasting ones. I mean, I've seen a lot of international brands making perfumes like this one, but they cost around like 16,000 for a scent like this one. How much is this for?
It will cost you after discount only for 26.
2680. Guys, इस पे डिस्काउंट लगा हुआ है. कुछ और लो ना लो, ये तो मेरी recommendation पे फौरन आके लो. You will not regret it. You will love it. Out of all of the perfumes, I am getting myself a Musk Rouge today because मुझे इसकी fruity scents बहुत पसंद आई थी. This is my type. So as soon as I got done with the fragrance shopping, I obviously could not stop myself from going to the makeup section and the ready to wear section because let's face it, all of this also comes in the shadi season. Can you check out these shawls? I fell in love with them. Not just this, there was so much to choose from, and because there was already an up to 60% off on the entire outlet, I could not help but just roam around and see what I liked. Khair, in the end, we ended up getting ourselves two of our favorite perfumes, one for me, one for Tao, and if you want to get your hands on them, so can you. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.